In this short course, Sarah from Willow Twisters will teach you how to weave a willow sphere. Willow spheres can look beautiful as patio sculptures. Their abstract form can also bring contour and architecture to flower borders. They can also be adapted to be either freestanding or on a thin pole, so they stand above and amongst the flowers in your borders. They can also easily become seed pods by adding some simple woven willow details. They are fun to make and are a fantastic introduction to willow sculpture, as the process you will learn involves a combination of all the techniques used in further more complex projects, such as the Willow Heron and Willow Deer project we offer as other courses to progress towards. This course will cover everything you need to know to create a willow sphere. Sarah will tell you about all the tools, equipment and materials you need. You will learn about the different types of willow and specifically the species which are best for sculpture. Sarah will give you tips on sourcing your willow and then teach you how to prepare it ready for sculpting. She will then take you gently through the process, covering all the techniques used in her self-taught style of willow sculpture, using binding, sewing and weaving processes, while maintaining shape and form. These techniques will be practiced over and over as the sphere builds in size. Creating a willow sphere will teach you all the technical skills you will need to progress to larger, more complex sculptural forms.